Hey everyone, as time goes on, there is an increasing need for dependable charging options. The EcoFlow River 3 UPS is an excellent choice to think about if you're looking for a small and effective power station. One notable feature of the EcoFlow River 3 UPS is its small size, measuring only 255 by 212 by 113 millimeters and weighing only 3.5 kilos. It is quite convenient to carry around the house or on a trip because of its lightweight design. Usability and versatility were key considerations in the design of the EcoFlow River 3 UPS. Essential information, including battery charge level, charging, discharging time, total input and output power, and alerts for overloads or temperature warnings, are displayed clearly and informatively on the front panel. During operation, it even notifies you of any faults. A 100-watt vehicle cigarette lighter port, a 230 volts AC outlet with XBoost support, and USB-C and USB-A ports for charging laptops, phones, and other devices are located next to the display. A primary power button with an LED indicator is also included with the station. It is perfect for charging a variety of gadgets because it has ventilation grills and extra input ports on the side for AC power and solar panel connections. The station's XBoost technology enables it to supply up to 600 watts of power to devices whose energy requirements surpass its 300 watts nominal capability. Because of this functionality, it can run high-demand items like small appliances and power equipment. However, testing in advance is recommended because precise equipment with surge protection might not be suitable. The EcoFlow River 3 UPS's continuous power supply capability is one of its best qualities. The station smoothly transitions to battery power in just 10 milliseconds in the case of a power outage, guaranteeing uninterrupted functioning for gadgets like routers, PCs, and medical equipment. It can also function in bypass mode, which saves battery life by using the grid to power connected devices directly when not in use. A state-of-the-art lithium iron phosphate battery with more than 3,000 charging cycles powers the station. Battery charges to 80% in just 1 hour and reaches full charge in 2 hours, thanks to EcoFlow's cutting-edge Xstream technology. It is quite versatile for a variety of circumstances, with additional charging choices such as solar panel or car cigarette lighter. River 3 UPS produced test results that were in line with its requirements. After adjusting for energy conversion losses, station's useful power output of 215 watt-hours matched the manufacturer's stated output of 247 watt-hours. Device's dependability was further demonstrated when it managed loads of up to 393 watts throughout stress testing before turning on overload protection. Through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, a mobile app can be used to configure and control the EcoFlow River 3 UPS. Station's usability is improved with this program, which makes firmware updates, parameter changes, and real-time monitoring possible. EcoFlow River 3 UPS is a small powerhouse that is ideal for people who want dependable backup power, portability, and efficiency. It is a great investment for everyday power demands or emergencies because of its lithium iron phosphate battery, which guarantees years of use. The River 3 UPS is excellent at providing performance and convenience, whether it is used to power laptops, charge smartphones, or maintain appliances. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.